Jens Peter, maybe you could give us a sense on this kind of MSC, demand dynamic with regards to, the reduced volume into the market next year from Russian fishery. Do you think there'll be a widening of the gap between non-certified products and certified products, or would you think the sort of market will, naturally sort of sort itself out?
There is quite a big gap at the moment, as we've discussed already. I don't know if it's going to be widening this gap. Like we've discussed also, a lot of the non-MSC goes into the catering business, the Haresta business, big events, and so on, schools, institutions, and so on. They're basically all closed, so it's a big problem for the non-MSC double frozen production. I don't see any of the retailers budging on the MSC. I mean, there's been a long march towards where we are today, so I don't see that really changing. I don't see anybody saying we'll completely drop the MSC, we'll move to non-MSC products, but maybe there will be smaller lines where you can make some promotions, the retail segment as well, but it more or less has to go to either new geographical areas, or it has to, or the market has to see the catering business start up again. Maybe hopefully we can see a loosening up on all the COVID issues coming into the first quarter of 21, where you can see some of the restaurants, schools, institutions, big conferences, and so on, start up again, and then you will have a better flow of the double frozen non-MSC production going through. But I'm more counting on new areas being opened up over time. If I look at the sort of general trend, what's going to happen, I think it's great that Russia has finally come around to invest in new technology, getting new vessels out, not being reliant on the double frozen channels that has been going on for many years. We also see more Russian companies establishing land-based production for single frozen production as well, lifting the quality. I think there's a lot of good trends going on at the moment, but of course it will take years before we move into a situation where it's completely different. So looking at 21, I don't see much difference between now and 21. It's even going to be tighter, I think. Widening the gap of the prices, I doubt it. I think it's big enough at the moment. So I think it'll remain in that area.